So cool. This is the longest boat ever to be seen. I see the cruise boat, y'all.
Where?
Is that the cruise boat?
That ain't no cruise boat.
What kind of boat is that?
Oh, that's that thing where you can drive onto it.
Oh. Y'all see? What that white boat look to y'all? Let me zoom in so y'all can see. What that white boat look to y'all? That's a Longo boat. And what that white boat look to y'all? Look like cruise or dream. Do it like the cruise or dream boat. Comment down. And what that boat look like to y'all? And that one and that one. What do all these boats look like to y'all? Comment down below. That's the walls. Comment down below. Y'all look how fast that boat going. I mean, look, one just over there, now over here. Look at the boat. Look at the boat. Yeah, but what does that white boat look like, y'all?
Yes, baby. Huh?
Look at it, y'all.
Are you done in storage?
Did y'all see it? Like, I can't be the only one to see it. Y'all gotta see it too.
Ahorita voy a ver porque yo y los niños nos pasaron por todos los cuartos.
Yeah, what y'all think that white boat is, though? Tell me.
Comment down below.
Like, yes, what do y'all think it is?
Room, honey. Damn.
What?
Y'all see that water. Y'all see that water. Y'all see that boat. Y'all see that boat. You see that boat? See that big old boat. You see that boat. See that boat. You see that boat. That one hell of a boat. See that one hell of a boat. This one long of a hell of a boat. That's hell of a boat. Yeah, but do that white boat look like the cruise boat, don't it? Don't it, y'all? That white boat look like the cruise boat.
Move.
Yeah, the old people on the cruise boats. But y'all, that's all I had to show y'all. Like, I ain't for sure y'all